While selecting a great property is difficult enough on its own, once you have found that perfect house, how do you go about financing it? Here are 5 tips to get some of the best financing deal. Number 1, make a sizable but not too large down payment. Be a very strong borrower. Turn to a local bank. Ask for owner financing or tap your home equity if you already own a home. Our certified agents will assist you in securing the best financing program for your specific situation with the lowest interest rate and least expensive closing costs, and have a pre-qualification or an approval certificate generated to give you the best competitive advantage in purchase negotiations. Call, email, or text me directly if you need any more information on this topic, or if you would want to interview one of our certified agents for your home buying needs. We look forward to be in business with you in future.